Are you ready to make money with social media? If you've ever scrolled through your feeds and wondered how influencers and brands turn likes into cash, then you're in the right place. Whether you have only $100 or $10,000 to invest, follow our proven 9-step approach to a winning Instagram page that will make you money. The opportunities in social media marketing are vast, with the potential to earn a substantial income. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts, the possibilities are endless. Let's follow along with our fictional character named Daisy. In the previous video, Daisy decided that she wanted to do affiliate marketing to earn some extra income while keeping her full-time job. While researching affiliate marketing, she realized that to make money with affiliate marketing, she needs to attract lots of customers to make sales. So, how is she going to attract these customers? She is going to start making unique, relatable, and valuable content using social media platforms. But before she dives into creating content, she needs to understand that in the world of social media marketing, not all platforms are created equal. Each one offers unique monetization opportunities that cater to different audiences. Let's break down some of the most popular platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Instagram is known for its visually appealing content and has a younger demographic, making it ideal for brands targeting millennials and Gen Z. With features like shoppable posts and influencer partnerships, it's a goldmine for monetization. Facebook, on the other hand, boasts a diverse user base, including older demographics. It offers various monetization options, such as ad placements and Facebook shops, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Twitter is great for real-time engagement and trending topics, but Twitter's monetization potential often relies on brand partnerships and sponsored tweets. Lastly, TikTok has exploded in popularity, especially among younger audiences. Its unique algorithm allows for viral content, and brands can leverage this through influencer collaborations and creative campaigns. Choosing the right platform depends on your target market. Understanding where your audience spends their time is crucial for maximizing your social media marketing efforts. In the previous video, Daisy decided that she wanted to create beauty content and market products for reputable Korean beauty companies by using her unique affiliate links. We, at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, advised her to create her customer avatar, which will help her understand her ideal customers and their needs. Daisy decided that her target audience is women, ages 25 to 45, who are either beauty enthusiasts or who have specific skin concerns. Based on her customer avatar, Daisy decides that she wants to start with Instagram, as she feels she can reach more audience on this platform. After she understands who her target audience is, she is ready for the next step. The next step is probably the hardest step in the social media world. The competition is high, and establishing a personal brand on social media will take time and effort. The key elements include profile optimization and a well-thought-out content strategy. The profile picture, bio, and links should be aligned with the brand identity, as these are often the first impressions potential followers will have of you. So, how should Daisy approach this step? Daisy learns that consistency in branding is essential. This means that she should consider using the same colors, fonts, and tone across all of her videos to create a cohesive look that resonates with her audience. This will help to reinforce her brand identity and will make it easier for followers to recognize her. In addition, engaging with her followers is another vital aspect of building a loyal community. Responding to comments, asking questions, and encouraging discussions to foster a sense of belonging is crucial. Daisy should consider hosting live Q&A sessions. As Daisy learns all these strategies, she starts feeling overwhelmed. After all, she is in her mid-30s, has a full-time job, and has no experience in business or sales or anything like that. She can't even begin to understand how she is going to compete with all the other already established beauty influencers. How will she make a sale? How will she attract customers? We here at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel fully understand her concerns. We've been there. We've seen many people who are initially excited about the opportunities and potential earnings on social media, but after implementing some of these strategies and seeing only small results at the beginning, most people start feeling discouraged, and then they stop the process altogether. But since you are here at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, you will not be stopping. We are revealing 9 proven steps that will help you succeed with Instagram, no matter where you are currently at. we will be revealing hidden tips and tricks that will help you explode on Instagram. Number 1 is setting up a winning Instagram account. Make sure to create a unique profile name. If you want to make money with this account, make sure to pick a name that you will be proud to put on t-shirts, digital products, or other merchandise. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to give you ideas of unique names for your profile. After you come up with a name, create a new Gmail account. Remember, the account needs to be aged about 2 to 3 weeks to start your Instagram account. Anything newer than this will be flagged, and Instagram will ban your account. Number 2 is you need to help Instagram understand your account. When you first set up your account, Instagram will not know what your account is about. So, your job is to make sure Instagram understands what your account is about and who your audience is. To do this, go to your new account and go to Reels. From there, like and save all of the high-performing videos and reels that stand out in your niche. Every day for the next 10 days, keep track of these accounts and find other high-performing videos and reels. Like and save for at least 10-15 accounts. After this initial process, your account is set for the best optimizations. Number 3 is you need to start with simple branding. Simpler is better. If you are a beginner, don't pay anyone to pay for your logo. The best tool to use is Canva. For the bio section of your account, use a combination of high-performing accounts description from your research in the previous step. Don't overcomplicate this step. Your goal is to start simple and then make necessary tweaks as you gain more experience and as your brand grows. Number 4 is to use this proven method for content creation. Research viral content of your competitors. This is where magic happens. First, you go to your competitors' page and watch their reels, which will help you get an idea on how many views they are getting on average. While doing this, look for outliers. This means you look for reels that have done exceptionally well. For example, if your competitor is getting about 50K views on average, find a few reels that got them 1 million views. Then save those reels. Repeat this process for 4 to 5 different competitors. This will help you build proven viral content in your niche. Number 5 is focus on content creation. When starting out with content creation, model the already successful accounts. Although creativity is good, it is best to save your creative contents after you've established your unique followers. If you want to gain 50,000 followers in 30 days, model what has worked before. This means that when you find a reel that has millions of views, you are going to recreate it. Number 6 is bring your own unique twist. The easiest way to bring your own unique twist to your new account is by using filters. How can you do this easily? Choose a color that is best suited for your niche that is different from your competitors. Another way you can bring your own twist to your content is by choosing a completely opposite filter from your competitors. For example, if your competitors are using lots of colors in their content, pick black and white and stick with it. Consider picking a different font or overlays from your competitors as well. Number 7 is post your content. It is important to know where your target audience resides. Are you trying to attract customers from the USA or from Japan? Then convert your local time to your target audience's local times and post during one of these 3 peak times: morning rush hour, lunchtime, or evening time. Number 8 is analyze your account. Tracking and analyzing your social media performance is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't. To start, familiarize yourself with key performance indicators, KPIs, that can provide valuable insights. Engagement rates are likes, shares, and comments, and these are crucial for gauging how well your content resonates with your audience. Conversion metrics, such as click-through rates and sales generated from social media, help you assess the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Regular analysis is vital for adapting your strategies and achieving better results. Set aside time each week or month to review your metrics, identify patterns, and adjust your content or posting schedule accordingly. Number 9 is stay updated with trends. In the fast-paced world of social media, staying updated with trends and changes is crucial for maintaining relevance and maximizing engagement. Trends can significantly impact your content strategies, influencing what types of posts resonate with your audience. For instance, a sudden rise in video content or a new platform feature can shift user preferences, making it essential to adapt your approach accordingly. To keep your finger on the pulse of the industry, follow thought leaders and influencers who share insights and updates about social media trends. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. Applying these strategies can significantly enhance your social media marketing efforts and open up new revenue streams. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key to building trust and engaging your audience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.